Guys, so check it out. Today we're gonna show you another way to pull these big water slides. We mainly use these straps only for like big water slides, like the 15-foot water slides, because this one is heavy, guys. Also the bounce house combos, if they do get heavy, if they got a little bit of water, then this helps a lot. All right, I already had these straps. Not sure of the length, but this is perfect right here, guys. It's already staked down, so you can see he's gonna start the row, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull. All right, it's already staked down too. It's already staked down. So yeah, if you don't feel like using the winch, then this is another way to. He's gonna start the row. So you ready? Oh, another thing, the door is not too big, so this has to be a real tight row. I told the lady if we can't get it out from that door, we might have to get it out from this door. But she said if there's a screw right here, she said if we do take out the screw, we got to put it back in. So that's the last option. But we're gonna try to get it out from where we got it in. We did struggle to get it in though. The plan right here is to make it more like a longer row. Not a shorter row, not a short row, but a longer row. The longer it is, it's gonna be skinnier, so it'll go through that fence. Let's do it. Ready? Keep gonna start the row. All right. All right, so as you can see, it came out fat. The goal was to make it longer. I think that's well, it didn't come out like we wanted to, but it's all cool. It's nice and tight. Huh? Yeah, I mean it's just a screw. If we can't, I don't think we're gonna be able to get it up from there. Just gonna call the customer and let her know. How do we get this? It's kind of weird how we got this. don't know. Yeah, so I'm gonna let her know. We're just gonna have to get her from the other side. We couldn't get it the long way, like I said. That was the goal. I think it was the roll, the way we rolled it. Mostly it's the way that we rolled it, but I mean it came out nice and tight. All right, so as you can see, the water slide didn't come out like I wanted to, this long. This is what she said. But yeah, it didn't come out long. It came out fat. It really was the way we rolled it. I mean, the way we folded it. We should have kind of folded a little bit wider. Instead, it was a little bit shorter. So it's all cool, guys. Pops is looking for a screwdriver. I'm gonna let her know. I'm gonna let the customer know. We're just gonna get it out of here. So this is the screw she's talking about right here. Yeah. So yeah, it's pretty simple though. Pretty much all they did was drill the screw right here, so it'll serve as a lock. Yeah, because we're gonna struggle to get it out that way. It's just came out a little fat. Yeah. I mean, we can try to get it out, but we're gonna struggle. I'm gonna let her know because he's gonna go ahead and get the screw out. All right, so we're just gonna get it out from this way.